How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. Um, at the time of recording this, we're up to 140 subscribers, and when we hit 100, we gave away a pen, and I think when we hit 200, we're going to give away another one. As you guys know, I save all these little cutoffs and everything, and I thought we would make an acrylic giveaway pen this time around. It ain't perfect, but it is what it is. And what do you want for free? But anyway, I thought I'd bring you guys along while I work on it some more and see if we can get it turned out. All right, we got it clamped up here in the drill press. This might be a short-lived experience. I don't know. We'll find out. The bottom out of it. Oh yeah, it's bad. How bad is it though? We might be able to salvage it. We can get our pieces out of here. I'll bring you guys back here in a few minutes, see if I can get this, see if I can save this or not. Well, we got it saved so far. Now, whether it survives completely or not, we'll never know. We'll find out. In case you're wondering, yes, I did see that piece fly off. Let me look for it. I'll bring you guys back. Well, folks, I couldn't find it, so I guess we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. And I don't care to do that. I've got other pieces around here. We'll just add on. That's all we can do. It may not last long enough to do that anyway. Well, let's give ourselves every chance we can. find us something, drill a hole, and see if we can get it glued on there. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. We got us a little patch piece put in there. I kind of profiled it a little bit on the belt sander, and we're going to proceed. See if we can avoid tearing up any more than we have to. Ah, yes, Norfolk Southern has returned. Because, you know, why wouldn't they? I'll tell you one thing, folks. If I ever win the lottery, I'm moving to Iowa, somewhere in the middle of nowhere, where there ain't a train track within 400 miles of me, if I can find it. Probably ain't gonna happen, but there will be signs, and there will be a complete lack of damn train horns in my videos. And I get it, you know. I mean, it's a safety thing, and I understand, but shoo, buddy, I guess it could be worse. But I don't know. I've had drunk neighbors fighting in videos before. Way too much. You know, polish 15 pins on there. I polish one pin 15 times. We'll just make it extra slick, I guess. So what we look like. We come out pretty good, honestly. And it could have been better, but it could have been a lot worse too, you know. Let me get this slapped together and we'll see what it looks like when it's all one piece, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody, we got it thrown together. There's some flaws right in here. I messed up trimming that blank back, but it is what it is, and ain't nothing I can do about it now, and ain't no need in crying about it. I did not notice it till I put it together, and I don't know if I could have fixed it even if I had noticed it. But anyway, the most part, it all fit up pretty good. It looks pretty decent. Could have been better, but it could have been worse. And it's free, you know. And if you want to be entered, you know, for a chance to win it, like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure your subscriptions are public, because if they're not, I can't see who's subscribed, and if I can't see you're subscribed here, your name don't go in the hat. And if you don't want to win it, then, you know, don't worry about it. But anyway, as always, thanks for your time, hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.